Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to delete temporary files in Windows 11 to free up space and make your computer run faster. Temporary files can build up over time and slow down your system. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Then, in the Settings window, click on the System section on the left side. After that, select Storage from the options. Once the storage window opens, click on Temporary Files. Wait a few moments for Windows to calculate how much space these files are using. Then, check all the boxes for the files you want to remove, such as Windows Update Cleanup, Delivery Optimization files, or Temporary Internet files. Finally, click on Remove Files and wait while Windows deletes them. This may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data being removed. Once it's done, your computer should have more free space and perform more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.